So the most question which I get asked is how you can actually withdraw Bitcoin to mobile money. So converting or withdrawing Bitcoin to mobile money is not that straightforward and it's not that easy. But as of today, it's now easy and it's possible that you can actually withdraw your Bitcoin through mobile money in Zambia. Okay, so how is this possible? Well, it's all possible because of an app called Yellow Card. So if I've not heard of Yellow Card, it's simply an app of which you can actually install on your phone, and you'll be able to buy and sell Bitcoin, and you'll be able to withdraw your Bitcoin through mobile money. It works in Zambia and I tried it. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so what you're currently seeing here, okay, 4 days ago I sold Bitcoin worth 560 kwacha. Then 4 days ago I decided to withdraw the Bitcoin. So as you can see over here, focus here, okay, better. So as you can see over there, I withdraw it to my mobile money number of about 563, and I'm just from receiving the money today. Okay, so yeah, it's easier to withdraw and the fees are very minimal. And when it comes to Yellow Card verification, like verifying your account, I think the only thing you have to submit is probably your first name, your last name, your address, okay, and also I think using your ID or something like that. Yeah, so try out Yellow Card. The link will be in the description. But the only thing which I don't like about Yellow Card is that when it comes to depositing money for them to buy Bitcoin, you have to deposit to their bank account in Zambia, and they have to manually check your deposit and approve it. And this process, they are saying, can take from 24 to 48 hours. And waiting for me is not something that I like. Okay, so once you deposit, the money will be reflected, and when the money reflects in your account, you'll be able to buy Bitcoin. Then if you'd like to sell, you'll be able to sell. If you'd like to withdraw, you can withdraw to your bank account, and you can as well withdraw to your mobile money as of today. So this is good, and makes even things simpler. But the only thing which I would like, if they would integrate some payment gateways. I think another reason why they've avoided payment gateways is because when you use payment gateways, even these payment gateways, they get a percentage from all the transactions. I think they're trying to fight transaction fees so that you can buy and sell Bitcoin with very, very small fees, so that as well they can get a fee, because they'll be sharing their fees with payment gateways. But this is okay. But as for now, I will stick to my Binance. I prefer buying crypto from Binance. Okay, I guess I'm not talking too much, so this is it about this video. Give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Keith.